It's a beautiful day outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like this, kids like you should be burning in hell.
I don't know why I decided to go on this path. This isn't what I wanted, but I asked for it. So tell me, why did I choose curiosity over you?
It's cause kids like you don't play by the rules, and that's what we need to get rid of you dirty fools. So let's go with the room, get chill out. Let's go, ready for the club. Go on and try to hit me if you're able. We both know your determination is unstable. Are you mad because you just keep on dying?
No, I don't even know why I'm trying.
You're not gonna know when we'll be here together.
But I can just reset and come back stronger.
I know you will revive each time I beat ya, but I will be right back here to meet ya. I know you're made. You don't know when to quit, do you?
That
This is where it stops.
This is where it ends.
If you want to get past me, then you better try again.
Though it's in the timeline, we had grown to be good friends.
But that decision that you made led that old friendship to an end.
So go ahead and try to hit me if you're able. I know that giving you mercy is disabled.
You really think sparing me would change things? Well, you didn't spare my brother, so get dunked on.
Even if one do it all the other.
But the consequences last forever.
Give me your soul. If I give you my whole, then can I go back to make it right? 'Cause I made love. That I'll give up for you. You're in control. Now I'm stronger than you. It's entirely mine.
Here at last, one who's kind, the last soul will be mine. But alas, you and I, one will die, and I can't look you in the eye.
Human, it was nice to meet you.
This will be the ultimate clash. It's a blood.